Achoo! Achoo!
Leo, are you okay?
Achoo! Mom, I have a cold. My nose is running.
Oh no. Does your throat hurt?
Yes, Mom. My throat hurts. And my head hurts too.
Okay, we need to go to the pharmacy.
What is a pharmacy?
It is a shop where we buy medicine.
Do we need anything before we go?
Yes, we need the old prescription. Wait here. Where is that prescription? I kept it here.
Mom, what is a prescription?
It is a paper from the doctor. It tells the pharmacist what medicine to give.
Oh, like a medicine list?
Exactly. Now help me find it.
Mom, is this it?
Yes, that is it. Good job, Leo.
I found the prescription!
Well done. Now put on your jacket. Let's go.
Mom, there is so much medicine here.
Yes, every medicine has a different job. Good morning. My son has a cold.
Good morning. How long has he been sick?
Since yesterday, I have the old prescription.
Let me check this. This prescription is still valid. I can give you the same medicine.
Thank you so much.
Excuse me, will the medicine taste bad?
This one is sweet. Do not worry.
Ah, that is good.
Take this white tablet for your cold. One in the morning and one at night.
One in the morning and one at night. I will remember.
And drink a lot of water. Rest at home.
Can I watch television?
Yes, but sleep is more important.
How many days should he take the medicine?
3 days. If he is not better, call the doctor.
Understood. Thank you. How much do we need to pay for the medicine?
It is $12, please. You can pay by cash or card. Amount received. Thank you. Get well soon, Leo.
Thank you. Goodbye. Mom, the pharmacist was very kind.
Yes, pharmacists help sick people every day.
Mom, I want to feel better fast.
You will. Take your medicine and rest.
Mom, can you make me soup?
Of course I can.
You always make me feel better, Mom.
That is my job, Leo. Now, let's go home.
Today we learned, I have a cold. My nose is running. My throat hurts. We need a prescription. A prescription is a paper from the doctor. This prescription is still valid. Every medicine has a different job. One tablet in the morning and one at night. Drink a lot of water and rest. Get well soon. New words we learned: pharmacy, medicine, prescription, valid, tablet, cold, fever, throat, rest, pharmacist.